Welcome to our latest auction for this Mercedes G550 4x4 squared, and we're going to take this thing on a drive, and you can see it running and driving. Just going to put on my seatbelt. All right, put it in gear. And off we go. One of the noticeable cool things inside is this custom steering wheel with LEDs, and it's got a built-in speed and a few different modes. Looks like it's got engine temp, RPM. I don't know if you can even see that on camera, but it does look pretty cool in person. So this is a 2017 G550 factory 4x4 squared. So this is the lifted version of the G-Wagon. And you can see we have flipped the cluster over to miles, and it reads 35,591 miles. And there is a digital readout on the speed as well. I can try to flip that on right there. So I believe for US import, you may not need to buy a cluster. You have to double check with a broker, but as far as I can see, because there's a mile per hour reading, I would assume you don't. We'll tour the inside. We will give you a full walkthrough video separately in the listing, showing you everything inside. This is mainly a driving video. Also, it's got these cool carbon paddle shifters. And lots of other nice modifications on this G-Wagon. It's got an Akrapovic exhaust, some Brabus parts like the hood, and up here the carbon surround on the light bar, and a few other little things which we'll detail in the auction listing. Definitely get a lot of looks in this thing, that's for sure. People look, people stare. This is a cool G-Wagon. And we're just exiting on the highway so we can get it up to speed, and you can see on the highway this thing running and driving and shifting through all the gears. Exhaust sounds great. So you can see 60 miles per hour, no issues. Have a car in front of me, or I'd be going a little bit faster, but 70 miles per hour, drive straight on the highway, no vibration. Steering wheel feels really good, drives super straight. It runs and drives quite nice, actually. So we're excited to offer this G550 4x4 squared up for auction. It's priced to sell. It's pretty crazy during the COVID boom, what these were selling for. I think the owner in Canada paid over $300,000 for this thing, and it's here to sell for considerably less than that. So if you're looking for a G550 4x4 squared in Canada, this will be the best price one by far. So encourage you to get your bids in. If you have any questions, leave them in the auction below. I'm extremely responsive seller. Happy to give you any more videos, photos, whatever you need to make an informed bid, an informed decision. We're happy to help with all aspects of the transaction, like transportation and any post-sale services you may need. Definitely happy to help you out. Give me one more pull here. That exhaust sure does sound good. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the auction below and I will get back to you very quickly. And good luck bidding on your new G550 4x4 squared.